Will an insurance deny 82962 if it was a QW modifier added, or is this modifier appropriate for in certain circumstances? Well, there you go. Uh, Jennifer knows that too.
I looked it up.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, she probably
No, I
knew it.
wanted to be prepared. I think I've talked about this before when dealing with a lab code, but I did look it up. So again, we're talking about Medicare. There is, for Palmetto had an answer on here. Palmetto GBA is the Medicare carrier for a lot of the southern states. For the CLIA test, there's waived CLIA amendment list. So there's a waived list. And a QW modifier, see here, determines which lab tests are waived. And not all CLIA waived tests require that QW to indicate that it is a waived test. So the CLIA waived procedures do not require the QW modifier on about a dozen codes, and one of them is 82962. So that QW is not required on the 82962. So that's on Palmetto GBA. Just Google, or go to their search and do QW modifier, and it will come up with that, or 82962. It will give you that information for your CLIA wave test. So,
that's another thing about the clubs. If you run into scenarios like this and you just need a source or a resource, ask, because this is something that's real easy for us to provide. And again, that's just, we want to be there for your resource. So make it easier.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.